The 14th of February is also known as St. Valentine's Day or Valentine's Day, and also known as the Feast of St. Valentine. It is a day of love, it's a day of romance. People spend it with your families, also with their loved ones, exchanging gifts and just spending quality times together at home, outside, different locations, doing multiple activities together. Now, the goal of this video is to talk about 5 different things that we can actually implement during Valentine's Day so that we're able to stay safe and keep our loved ones safe while we are creating lifelong memories on Valentine's Day. So let's go. It is important to note that the safest way to actually spend Valentine's Day right now in the current pandemic is to spend time with your family members virtually. And if you have to spend time with them in person, ensure that you only spend time with them if they live in the same building space as you do, like your apartment or a house. Number 1, take a walk with your loved one on Valentine's Day. It is important to understand that it is safer to spend Valentine's Day outside. If for some reason you do not live in the same space as your Valentine or your loved one, spending time outside is safer for the both of you than in an enclosed space, as that limits exposure. So if you have to spend time with your loved one on Valentine's Day, it is recommended to do it outside if you don't live in the same space. Number 2, celebrate with your loved ones virtually. Just like I mentioned earlier, if you do not live in the same building or same space as your loved ones, be it your significant other or your parents or whoever it is that you wish to spend Valentine's Day with, it is recommended that you do this virtually, as this would limit your exposure, not just to your significant other who might have the illness or the virus, but also in the process of trying to get to meet them in person, you expose yourself to other people that may have it, be it while traveling on the plane, on the bus, on a train, or driving and stopping at the gas station. So it is recommended that if you have to and you all don't live together, to do it virtually. Number 3, prepare a special meal or dessert. It is understandable that pre the pandemic or before the pandemic, people spend time together on Valentine's Day, going out to dinner or going for a special occasion or going to locations that has a special meaning to the relationship. But in the setting of the current COVID pandemic, it is recommended that you stay indoors, especially if you live together. And one of the fun ways by which you can actually spend Valentine's Day together is actually by trying to cook a special meal or dessert. Try your hands out at something that you've never done before, or if one of you is a very good chef, you can actually try to make a meal that both of you can actually spend time together and enjoy. Also, cooking on Valentine's Day could be a way to actually bond with your loved one, especially if you live together, as you all both spend time cooking together and just creating more memories together on Valentine's Day. So it would be advisable to spend the time at home with your loved one if you live together, compared to actually going to a restaurant where you actually increase your risk of contracting the virus, as you have to take down your masks to eat, and hence you expose yourself to the virus if for some reason someone there in the restaurant is infected. Number 4, plan a special game night or movie night. So we know that on Valentine's Day, there are a lot of activities that you can actually get involved in. You could go out for a sip and paint where you're drinking wine while you're painting with friends, or you could go to the movies to watch a lot of movies. But I know right now, I don't think there are a lot of cinemas open right now, especially in the setting of the pandemic. But another option that you can actually explore is to actually have a special setting at home for like a movie night or a game night, just the both of you, the family. This could be a very interesting option that you can actually implement on Valentine's Day while spending time with your loved one, as you all are able to create more memories, and knowing that there are not a lot of options out there to participate in because either shops are closed or they have to close early, or there's a lot of restrictions depending on the location you find yourself in. So to bypass all of this and to have an opportunity to spend time with your loved one, I would say yes, you can actually, have a special movie night or a game night within the family, amongst yourselves, with your loved ones, and see how that goes. That's a very good option, I think. And finally, number 5, having a picnic outside. This is actually a very good option if you think about it. Instead of going to a restaurant where you're sitting indoors, because not all restaurants have like outdoor dining, and even those that have outdoor dining might not have enough room for everyone. They might have a long queue, and you do not want to get caught up waiting on the long queue. An option could be, outdoors in a park, having a good picnic, you and your loved ones, a blanket on the green grass. That could be awesome. And also it's outside, so it's safer compared to being indoors within a closed space. I know that it could be cold where you are right now and you're unable to do that, picnic outside. But if for some reason you're able to, I think that's an option to consider. So quick recap. The safest way to spend Valentine's Day is by gathering virtually or with people that live within the same house or apartment or building as you do. And if you have to spend time with your loved ones, there are different ways, including taking a walk in the park or a walk outside, a picnic in the park, setting up a game night or a movie night, actually cooking together, creating a special dessert together, creating all those memories together on Valentine's Day are different ways that you can celebrate the day with your loved ones while trying to stay safe. And finally, we've come to the end of the video. The goal of this video is to teach us about how we can stay safe while creating long-lasting memories with our loved ones and our families on Valentine's Day. I hope you're able to gain some value from this video. And if for some reason you haven't liked this video yet, please hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and also hit the notification bell to be told when new videos come out in the future. I just want to say happy Valentine's Day, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you soon. I'm the WizDoc. Bye.